Hey everybody, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a doorknob back on the door. This one was loose for a while and finally gave up the ghost. Went to open the door and the knob just came right off. So if this has happened to you before, this very short video will show you how to fix it. Let's get to work. As you can see, there's no doorknob here. Here it is. So before we put this thing back on, we've got to take the doorknob. There's a little slot right here. You see that? We're going to push that in. You can get a little thin flathead screwdriver to do it. We're just going to push it in with our fingernail and give it a little twist. That makes the doorknob part of the mechanism slide off. Put that right here. Then we need to take this circular plate off. So we're just going to give it a little twist until it slides right off of there. These holes correspond with these two screws. And the reason that this doorknob came off is because these screws over time just work their way out of these little slots. So we're going to back these screws out using a Phillips head screwdriver. Don't push too hard, because you see that this is only sitting in this hole right now because this part is what holds the whole thing together. So we'll open the door in a second once we get this on and make sure it's aligned correctly. But for now, you have a curved part right here. You have a curved part right here. We're going to slide that curved part into the other curved part. There we go. Might have to work it a little bit like I just did, but that's okay. Now, as I said before, we're pushing that other doorknob, the other side of this, out of the way. Not out of the way. We're pushing it out of the door frame. Back up this screw a little bit more. Okay, so you can see you've got a larger hole here, a smaller hole right there on both sides. So twist it to where the screw is in that smaller hole, and then just tighten it up. And you do want this tight. You don't want to over tighten, of course, but tighten it up till it grabs. And you'll have to go back each time and tighten the other just to make sure. Yeah, there we go. So we went from a wobbly doorknob to one not moving at all. Now this is the lock for the door, and it goes through this hole. So we're just going to put this back on, snap it on. You heard the snap. Then once again, take our knob, find that little slot in it, find the corresponding part on the door, because that's what holds the doorknob on. Push it down with your finger, and there you have it. Let me show you. You see that slot right there? It's poking through there, so now that this is not going anywhere. And with that, we should be able to open the door. There we go. No need to call a handyman. You are the handyman. You'll probably save yourself probably $80 to $100 just to have somebody come out. So do it yourself, save the money. Thanks for watching Marcus Fixes Stuff. I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless. Say bye to Mookie.